Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best plant growing tents that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Mars Hydro Grow Plant Kit. This beginner-friendly grow tent comes with everything a rookie could hope for, including a trio of grow bags, a humidity thermometer, a ventilation kit with an inline fan, a timer, and so much more. You don't have to go down a rabbit hole of research to figure out what you need or go overboard with fancy gadgets, just open the box and get started. Durability is another one of its impressive qualities with a metal frame, thick 1680D canvas tent, and a 99% reflective mylar interior for superior light reflection. There's 3 sizes to choose from, all appropriate for beginners, in order to prevent overwhelm and make growing your plants indoors more intuitive. While each size comes with a door, only the 2 larger sizes have a window so you can check on plants without disturbing them. Moving on at number 4, we have VIVOSUN 2-in-1 Grow Tent. Multi-chamber grow tents can be a great way for the versatile gardener to make the most of their space, and the best option on the market in your opinion is the VIVOSUN 2-in-1 Grow Tent. It comes in 4 sizes and is made up of 2 interior chambers and 1 large chamber. You can easily separate plants that are in different stages, since seedlings, propagated plants, and flowering plants all have different needs. The inside of the tent is 100% reflective mylar, which ensures the very best light and heat distribution for your plants. 600D Oxford canvas makes up the exterior, a thickness that perfectly balances durability with cost efficiency. A metal frame adds to this durability. 2 doors allow you access to both sides, while windows allow you to do quick check-ins whenever you want. At number 3, we have Gorilla 4x4 Grow Tent. The Gorilla Grow Tent Light line is one of the strongest and most durable grow tents available on the market. The heavy-duty metal frame interlocks for stability and features industrial-strength zippers that will withstand repeated use. The diamond reflective interior maximizes light reflection and creates an ever-growing environment. And the double cinching duct ports ensure a secure connection to your grow system. This Gorilla Grows tent model also features easy view windows so growers can check on their plants without having to open the tent, as well as a heavy-duty spill tray to prevent any accidents. And there's also an integrated tool pouch for easy access to, well, tools. At number 2, we have Opulent Systems 2x2 Grow Tent. Opulent Systems 2x2 Grow Tent offers the perfect environment for your plants to thrive. The 98% highly reflective waterproof mylar ensures that indoor plants receive just the right amount of light. It also features an easy and clean window design, so you can keep an eye on your plants without having to open the tent up. The 600D fabric construction is tear and water resistant, while the SBS zipper ensures a smooth, easy opening and closing experience. Additionally, the floor tray makes for easy cleaning. And with an 18-month warranty, if something were to go wrong, you're covered. The easy-to-clean window design provides viewing inside to monitor your plants anytime without disturbing temperature levels. And finally at number 1, Cool Grows 2x4 Grow Tent. If you're looking for a reliable and sturdy grow tent, the Cool Grows 2x4 is perfect for you. The exterior shell is manufactured from high-quality PVC-free material, making this grow tent sturdy and reliable. The heavy-duty zippers with black lining and double stitching keep your plants safe and secure. Dual cinching duct ports make it easy to attach your ventilation system, and the included waterproof floor tray helps keep your grow area clean. The Cool Grows 2x4 is very easy to assemble, with tool-free pole connectors, and offers great value for the price. Heavy-duty zippers, metal frame poles keep your tent secure. Thick fabric and quality double stitching avoid any unwanted outside exposure,